Hi everyone, welcome to DTH Decoding the Hindu. It is day 7 in the series of important questions for UPSC Prelims 2023 and PCS examinations. So, first of all, happy Ram Navami to all of you. I wish Lord Rama fulfills all your wishes, gives you so much success in your life, and help you or bless you to achieve your dreams. Now, starting the video, firstly, I would like to say that if you like the content, then please do like the video, subscribe my channel, and share the video with your friends as well. And do attempt the questions, because as much as you will practice the questions, you will be able to ace in any examination. So let's get started. First question is saying that consider the following statements about World Wildlife Fund. See, these kinds of topic are very important for examinations. So be careful about these kinds of topics. First statement is it is an non-governmental organization founded in 1961. Second, its headquarters are located in Gland. Third, Living Planet report is published annually by WWF. Which of the following statements is are correct? A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1 2 and 3. See, pause the video for a minute and think about the answer, and I am discussing it directly. First statement is saying that it is an NGO that was founded in 1961, which is correct. WWF was founded in 1961 as an NGO. Second statement is saying that its headquarters are located in Gland. So here you might get confused, because Gland is a city in Switzerland, and this statement is also correct because the headquarters of WWF are located in Gland, Switzerland. So second statement is also correct. Third statement is saying that Living Planet report, which is published by WWF, is published annually. See, here is the catch. It is not published annually. It is published once in 2 years, matlab biennially. So this statement is wrong. So the answer will be A 1 and 2. I hope you understand the question well. Moving to the next question. Next question is consider the following statements about red panda. First, it is the state animal of Meghalaya. Second, it is included in the endangered category of IUCN list. Which of the following statements is are correct? Sorry, it is saying that which of the following statements are incorrect. So here is the catch. You might done this kind of questions wrong in hurry. So please read the question very well to avoid such foolish mistakes. Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So red panda was very much in news. It is also an important topic as the UPSC emphasizes more on environment and ecology these days. So first statement is state animal of Meghalaya. See, red panda is not the state animal of Meghalaya. It is the state animal of Sikkim. So first statement is wrong. Second statement is saying that it is included in the endangered category of IUCN red list, which is correct. So our answer will be A, as it was asking which of the following statement are incorrect. So first is incorrect. So our answer will be A, 1 only. Moving to the next question. But before that, I would like to request you, if you are liking the content, then please do like the video. Your one like motivates me very much. Your one subscribe means a lot to me. So please cooperate. Uh, please subscribe the channel as well. Third question is consider the following statements about NGT, National Green Tribunal. First, it is a specialized body set up under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. Second, with the establishment of NGT, India became the third developing country to do so. Third, NGT is mandated to make disposal of applications or appeals finally within an year of filing of the same. Which of the following statements is are correct? A 1 only, B 1 and 2, C 1 and 3, D 2 and 3. So this question is related to NGT, which is also very much in news, and in previous year one or two questions have been asked from this topic. So another question could be expected from this area. First statement is saying that it is a specialized body that was set up under National Green Tribunal Act, which is correct statement. Second statement is with the establishment of NGT, India became the third developing country to do so. It is wrong statement, because in overall world India became the third country to do so, but it is the first developing country to establish a specialized environment tribunal. So, not the third developing country, India became the first developing country to do so. So, second statement is wrong. Third statement is saying that NGT is mandated to make disposal of applications or appeal finally within an year. Within an year is wrong here. Within 6 months, it is mandated to dispose the case. So, third statement is also incorrect. So, the answer will be A, 1 only. I hope you understand the question well. So, if you are liking this initiative of mine, then please do cooperate, subscribe the channel, like the video, and with your cooperation I will increase the number of questions with time. Thank you so much for watching.